What if I told you, your old vacuum is wasting your time? In 2025, these 5 cordless beasts are redefining clean, with insane suction, battery life that lasts, and features that'll make you actually enjoy cleaning. We put them through brutal tests, and number 3 will blow your mind. All purchase links? Check the description. Let's get sweeping. Number 1. Dyson Gen 5 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. It's no surprise that the Gen 5 Detect also tops the strategist's list of best vacuums. With 280 AW of suction power, the highest on this list, the Gen 5 boasts an impressive runtime. It's also one of 3 models on this list, along with the Shark Stratos and Shark Pet, equipped with a HEPA filter, a must for a dust-sensitive household like mine. Both I and one of my cats have asthma. As Melanie Carver, Chief Mission Officer for the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America, explains, some vacuums release dust particles back into the air, so you'll want one with a system proven to trap and remove those particles. As a longtime Dyson user, I found that the automatic power-on button and increased suction power of the Gen 5 Detect were noticeable improvements on the V15 series, our previous best overall pick. Higher suction meant I didn't need to run the vacuum over particularly crumb-ridden areas, like under our dining room table, more than once. And since this model, like every vacuum we've chosen, doesn't require you to hold the start trigger down, I found it refreshing to maneuver a stick vacuum without fear of a hand cramp. The Gen 5 Detect is also replete with the latest Dyson innovations, a built-in crevice tool, an LCD screen which displays the remaining run time, and a piezo sensor that measures dust particles. A particularly high reading of microscopic particles while vacuuming my bedroom rugs simultaneously gave me the ick and brought relief that I was finally expunging them. Number 2. Levoit Cordless Vacuum, LVAC 200. The first thing I noticed about the LVAC 200 was the weight, or lack thereof. Clocking in at only 3.2 pounds, it beats even the Dyson V12 Detect Slim, making it the lightest vacuum on our list. The LVAC 200 is minimalist and straightforward with 3 settings you can change between using the button on the handle. The 3 lights on the side gave me a rough approximation of battery life, which it had plenty of for my 1-bedroom apartment. By the time I was finished vacuuming, I had 2 lights, between 35 and 70%, of battery life left. The vacuum's tangle-resistant roller brush works on multiple surfaces, tile in my kitchen, the hardwood floors of my dining room, without me having to change attachments, a small convenience, but one I love, and the LED headlight makes dust more visible while vacuuming. Using the crevice tool attachment was made easier by the fact that the vacuum is so light, and its swivel head has a superior maneuverability compared to those of heavier, more powerful vacs. It allowed me to even reach a few air-pine needles under the media storage unit in our living room that escaped the post-holiday cleaning. Number 3. Shark 9141H Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum. The formidable combination of HEPA filtration and anti-allergen seal in the Shark Pet combined with robust suction trapped a considerable amount of dust, dander, and other allergens that had been squatting on the floors and in corners of my apartment. The dust cup holds enough that I didn't have to empty it repeatedly while vacuuming. At 0.21 gallons, it's bigger than both those of the Gen 5 Detect and the Stratos and is equipped with an easy eject button, limiting my exposure to dust. The head swiveled effortlessly around my floor, enabling me to get into the nooks and crannies and under the chairs and sofa, places favored by my cats and thus overflowing with abandoned fur. The handle has an automatic power button and a trigger for boost mode, and a switch let me conveniently toggle between floor and carpet mode, saving me the hassle of stopping and changing attachments, though the crevice tool attachment came in handy when sucking up old bits of dried cat food around their bowls, and the removable hand vac made vacuuming the top of my fur-laden sofa a breeze. Number 4. LG CordZero A913. The LG Smart Inverter motor provides powerful suction across a range of floor types and is backed by a 10-year limited warranty for lasting peace of mind. Removable, rechargeable battery. Removable, rechargeable battery. The LG CordZero A913 BM stick vacuum features a detachable quick-release battery for up to 50 minutes of long-lasting cleaning performance. In normal mode without power nozzles using one battery. Portable charging stand lets you store and charge anywhere. You decide where and how to store your LG CordZero vacuum. The self-standing design maintains a low profile in any room but may also be wall-mounted if you prefer. Keeps accessories neatly organized and within easy reach. Store and charge a second battery *** on the stand so you never run out of power. Easy cleaning with just a touch. One-touch control lets you turn the vacuum on and off or select different power levels, including turbo mode, with just a single touch of a thumb. That means less strain on your hand and a more comfortable clean. Number 5. Samsung Bespoke Jet AI Cordless Stick Vacuum. My first impression of the Bespoke Jet AI, the sleek design, horizontal battery light glowing like some type of silent centurion, and loud whirring of the clean station as it was diagnosing the vacuum all made me feel as though I had unboxed a type of futuristic droid. Fortunately, it's not all just for show. The weight, feel and maneuverability of this vacuum are all great, but I found the Jet AI's suction power truly impressive. At 280 AW, it rivals the Dyson Gen 5 Detect, our pick for best cordless vacuum overall, and the power was noticeable in how much detritus it picked up in my home compared to many of the other vacuums I've tested. The vacuum has 5 settings: min, mid, max, AI, and jet, with the AI mode optimizing for the environment, meaning it changed the suction power as I glided between wood floors, rugs, and tile without my having to push a button. I found this to be a useful feature on all but my thickest living room area rug, for which I had to override the AI setting and turn it to max. The display screen gives a countdown of how much time is left on each setting. The sturdy half-gallon capacity clean station that holds the Jet AI automatically empties the vacuum bin when you place the vacuum there. Convenient, yes, though the size of the standalone station versus a wall-mounted vacuum makes it more suitable for a 2-bedroom or larger living space. So which of these cleaning superstars is going in your cart? Tell me below. If this saved you hours of research, smash that like button, share with someone who hates cleaning, and subscribe for more life-changing gadgets. Best deals? You know where, description has you covered. Happy cleaning!